welcome to Cooking with Emily. Today I'm going to make Prik Nahm Pla, which is Thai-style dressing. Usually when you go to the cooking stalls where you get Thai food and stuff, you usually see this weird dish that smells fishy and spicy. And you're wondering, what is that? And your parents don't know, or you don't know. You can. It is called Prik Nahm Pla. Today, that's what we're going to make. So, the ingredients we're going to need: fish sauce. You can use any type of fish sauce. You can either use the fish sauce in a plastic bottle or the fish sauce in a glass bottle. And garlic, I already said that, sorry guys. Lime juice, and chili. So first, we're gonna have to chop up the garlic. You can either use an adult to help because you're not really good at it and you don't want to chop your fingers off. After you finish cutting this, please do not touch your eyes because it can burn big time. Oops. Alright guys, I finished cutting all my garlic. You can put it in a big bowl, like this. Next, we need to squeeze in the lime juice. Okay guys, I just finished squeezing the lime. 1 minute, I need to go wash my hands. Okay, I'm done. Next, we need to cut the chili. And this one, you for sure need an adult to help because it really hurts if it gets in your eyes. Okay, I finished. Now add it into the bowl of your lime and your garlic. Next, add the fish sauce. You can either give it a little mix or just leave it like this. Alright guys, I finished it. Voila! I bet you it's gonna taste good. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to wash your hands. Bye.